Hello there, Mr. Boom here, and in this video we're going to analyze the market for the next week, that means from the 10th to 14th March, and let's get started. So as per our analysis style, we have to find our market direction with weekly time frame and daily time frame. Then we're gonna analyze the market, or we're gonna find the best entry from the market. Okay, as you can see there is weekly time frame selected, and if I want to draw a trend line, that means upper trend on weekly time frame, as per you can see there, there is 1 and 2 time. This 2 time market just respected this trend line, and third time it just happen a breakout, and again it just trying to go up, again down, and again it just trying to respect that zone. That means there is a confirmation of bullish breakout. Okay, that means market is going to be bullish for next few days, or from weekly time frame or weekly perspective, market is going to bullish for next few days or for next week. Okay, so let's make it clone, and as per you can see there is another trend line, that means downtrend, and it just break upper trend. So for weekly, market is on buy trend. Okay, and let's make it daily time frame. If we see the daily time frame market movement, and if I want to zoom out a little bit more, as you can see there is a lot of rejection and lot of thing happening on the market. And for daily time frame, if you want to see the market movement, as you can see there, first 3 days, that means Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and this 3 day market was on bullish, and again market just closed on Thursday, market just closed on bearish, and for Friday during the NFP time, market just trying to go up due to the NFP news, but there is lot of pressure from the buyer and seller side. That's why there is compressed candle from last 3 days. Okay, as you can see that this 3 candle is compressed because of there is a huge pressure from the buyer and seller both sides. As you can see there, market is on bullish momentum also, and if you want to draw a downtrend for daily time frame, as you can see there, market just follow the trend or the downtrend several time over here. And if we want to see the support and resistance area, as you can see there is our support area. If I make it little bit lower, as you can see there, perfect now. So it just respected few time or fewer time in the market, 1 2 3 4, okay, and there is another time 5 time respected the market. And if you want to draw the resistance area or resistance line, market resistance could be around that area. Let me make it perfect, and as you can see there, this is the daily time frame support and resistance area, and market just making a pattern around that area. Okay, this particular area, market just moving around this particular area. That means there is as you can see there is upper lower upper lower upper lower, and we took huge advantage from this area. That means buy in lower zone, sell in upper zone, buy in lower zone, sell in upper zone. And if you are especially following our Telegram channel, you may know that, and we are taking a huge advantage from this particular area. So let's delete all of the drawing. Okay, let's make it for H1 time frame, and let's find out our entry. Okay, so if we minimize a little bit more, as you can see there is a format. That means for format, there is a format for a scalper or a small trader if you want to draw this trend line around that area, from that area. So if we zoom out a little bit more, so market is on buy trend. That means market direction is buy. This is undoubtedly, if we select H4, as per I said before, market is on buy trend undoubtedly. Okay, so for entry, or for to find our perfect entry, if we again redraw the support area, and if we want to again draw the trend line, like support trend line, so okay, and as per the market is on the buy trend, so what we need to do, you may ask me, Mr. Boom, where is our entry? So this is the particular support area. As per you can see there is a double confirmation, like this trend line area and this support area, and this is the key zone to take buy entry. Okay, so if we want to take buy entry around that area, our first TV should be around that area. So let me make it a perfect with the what, with the Fibonacci retracement. Okay, so if we want to draw all-time high, recent all-time high to recent all-time low. Okay, as you can see there, the Fibonacci retracement area 38.2 also define that this is our key area to take buy. That means that area. Okay, so if market come back around that area, then we can took a buy entry. Then our first take profit level should be 100 zone, Fibonacci retracement 100 zone. Then our second TP should be around, let me make it, or let me check it, what could be our second Fibonacci retracement area. That means if we want to draw another trend line like that one, okay, so 161.8 could be our second target. Okay, and you may ask me, Mr. Boom, what is our SL point? Okay, 38.2 is our initial buy area and 23.6, and this area could be our initial stop loss area. So if we want to check how much is our TP and SL, if we, okay, let's check the point in point or in pips. Let's check our TP area is around 671 pips, and our SL is around 213 pips. Okay, 213 pips. So here is risk to reward ratio. You may ask me, Mr. Boom, what is the risk to reward ratio? Risk to reward ratio is 1:3. Okay, our SL is around 200 pips and our TP is around 600 pips. Okay, so this is the entry for long-term traders. So what next? You have to wait for the pullback around that area, that means 2880. Then you can take buy, and your TP will be 2947, and your SL is 2858. Okay, if you can only take the entry if you have big equity, and for small traders or for a small investor, let me make the drawing for a small investor. So as you can see there is the market in 30 minutes, or if we make on that on M15, as you can see there is our trend line area. Okay, this is our support area, particular support area. So you may take your buy entry in a small zone or a small area. You may take your buy entry around that area. Your SL should be around that means below this point. Okay, then your TP should be around that area. Okay, around the resistance area. Again, if it give you a confirmation to go sell, then you can take a sell entry over here till the trend line. Okay, if it give you a breakout, then you can take a sell entry, depend on the market. Then you can take profit till the H1 confirmation area. So hopefully all things is clear now. If you have more query or if you have more question, you may join our public Telegram channel. Here you can see we have a public Telegram channel where we are sharing a lot of signal and analysis. As you can see there, our last Friday signal, that was gold sell, and that hit TP3. Okay, TP3 120 pips. Okay, and also in our VIP channel we are sharing a lot of entry or a lot of signal every day, and market strategy news and what is the happening fundamentally around the world, and all of signal are hitting TP3 almost 90% accuracy over here. So if you are especially following our VIP or free Telegram channel, you may already know that. So hopefully all things clear now. That's for today. Mr. Boom signing out.